we are in the blizzard 2016. Last time we'll ever see snow. Right, Mace? Mace! Hi, Mace.
Jason doesn't like it.
You could say that. Is that the understatement of the year? Huh, Jake? What do you want to do? Do you want to build a snowman?
Oh, I want to throw snowballs.
You just want to throw snowballs?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to throw a big one.
Can I see your... Let me see your gloves. Let me see your gloves. What do they have on them?
Reindeers.
Reindeer on your gloves, huh?
I want to throw snowballs.
You just want to throw snowballs?
Yeah, well, I want to throw snowballs.
Okay. How you feeling? How you feeling? Jake, how you feeling? You feeling good?
Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye, Mace. Okay, here we go.